Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to enable or disable transparency mode for your earbuds EARFUN Free Pro 3. And basically we have two options how to do this. The first one is to use an application and the second one is to use gesture. Let's get started by use the application. So you need to open EARFUN audio app. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the application, and after that you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds, and then right here we have ambient sound control. To enable transparency mode, you need to tap at the ambient sound at the middle, and we just did it. To disable it, you need to swap to ANC or to normal mode. Now, the second option is to use a gesture. First I will show you how to do this by default, and then we will customize it. So, by default you need to use your left earbud. At the back side we have touch area, so you need to press and hold. At the touch area from normal mode you will swap to transparency. And if you want to disable it, we can swap to ANC with the press and hold. And from ANC we will swap to the normal mode. Okay, how to customize it? In the main menu, you need to scroll down. Firstly, make sure that you do not disable all controls. So then go to customize controls, and we can add it for the single press, double press, triple press, and press and hold. And the same for the right earbud. And let's say I want to add it for the double press on my right earbud. So I click at this line, then select noise cancelling by tap on them, and now let's check if it works. So 1, 2. Okay, we swap to transparency, and from transparency we'll swap to ANC, like with a press and hold, and then normal mode. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!